Hi friends, today we will learn how to add gradient text fill in PowerPoint 365. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to add gradient text fill in this presentation. Go to the new slide option. Then click the blank slide and go to the insert menu. Then we can see the word art option. Then we click it. Then insert a word art. Now we write or insert text in this word art. Then double click on the mouse to select the word art and go back the home menu. Then increase the word art font size. Then go to the shape format menu and click the fill text. Then go to the gradient option and go to more gradient. Then choose the gradient fill. Then apply gradient color to use this color section. Now you can see we apply gradient fill in this text very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.